children, how are you? I hope that all are you safe at your homes. Children, I am your social studies teacher. My name is Zarina of 5th class. Sorry, 4th class. So, what is our first lesson name? Our beautiful country. Once see this, children. This is your social textbook of 4th class. So, children, as early as possible, all of you buy the books from our school, Versatile High School. If you not have book, you can't understand that what are the teachers are explaining that. Children, in this social textbook, there is total 21 lessons are there. Our first lesson is our beautiful country. Children, in this chapter or in this lesson, what is our lesson name? Our beautiful country. We will learn about the location of India, the neighboring countries of India, physical divisions of India, political divisions of India. So first we are going to the location of India. You know what is our country name? Our country is India. India has vast land of beautiful hills, high mountains and deserts, plateaus, plains. So many are occupied on our country, and it has a long coastline. So our coastline length is 6,100 kilometers, and so many rivers are. You know rivers, Ganga, Yamuna, Krishna, Kaveri. So many rivers are flowing through our India, and it is that India is southern part of our continent, Asia. It is the 7th largest country. 7th largest country in that India. India is the 7th largest country. And you know that India is north. What is our directions? You know the directions? North, south, east, west. So India has how many directions? 4 directions. North, south, west, east. So the total length of that India is north to south is 3,200 kilometers. This is the 3,000 kilometers. And total wide from west to east is what is that? 300 kilometers. 3,000 kilometers. And total area of that our India is 3.3 million square kilometers. Total area of that land of our country is 3.3 million square kilometer. Are you understood, children? So this is the location of India. What is the shape of our earth? What is the shape of our earth? Earth is in a spherical shape. So India. Now we are observing our country is what is that? India. Our country is what is that? India. So what is the shape of our country? What is the shape of our country? See that narrows down to that north to south and wider to that west to east. Once observe this, children. See this. Narrows down to that north to south and wider is west to east. See that? This is our shape of country. Our India has directions north, south, west, east. You know, north side is Himalayan, mountain Himalayas, and south side is Indian Ocean, and west side is Arabian Sea, east side is Bay of Bengal. Once observe this, this is our India map, only map now. So north side upside, north side is mountain Himalayas, and south Indian Ocean, and that east side is Bay of Bengal, east side is Bay of Bengal, and west side is Arabian Sea. Here Himalayas are protect our country. Mountain Himalayan ranges are protect our country. And once observe it, southern part of our India is located, you know. So India, in Indian Ocean, there is a southern part of India is peninsula. What is that? Peninsula. You know the meaning of peninsula? Peninsula is a piece of land covered with three sides water, only one side land is called a peninsula. Our India has a peninsula. Why? Because once observe this picture, southern part of India or not. So in the southern part there is covered with three side water. Once observe that east side is Bay of Bengal, west side is Arabian Sea, and south side is Indian Ocean. So three side water, only one side, that means north side, what are that? Himalayas. So our India is called a southern part of India. Southern part of India is called a peninsula. So Indian coastline length is longest 6,100 kilometers. Our frontage total 15,200 kilometers are there. So now we are going to that. Once observe that where is our India on the globe. You know the globe? See this is called a globe. This is called a globe. So a globe contains 7 continents and oceans. 7 continents and oceans. So where is our India? India is in that southern part of the continent is Asia. See this is the Asian continent. In that Asia, India is there. The model of the earth is called a globe. So India is in Asia. See this three side blue color part is totally water. See, observe this is water bodies are there, and one side is land. So our southern part of India is called an Asia, called as peninsula. Are you observing where is our India? So observe that total. Are you understanding? Now we are going to that another one. See this. The neighboring countries of India. What are the neighboring countries of our India? Neighboring countries means, see this is our India. 4 directions: north, west, south, east. North opposite south, west opposite east. So what are the neighboring countries of India? Neighboring countries of India, north west to Afghanistan and Pakistan. Afghanistan and Pakistan is north west, and north side to north is China, Nepal, Bhutan. China, Nepal, Bhutan is into that east, and east side is Bangladesh, Myanmar, and south side is that Indian Ocean. Here Maldives, observe this picture. Map observe that India. So Sri Lanka and Maldives, these are the islands to that south. So this is the neighboring countries of India. What are the neighboring countries of India? The neighboring countries are Afghanistan, Pakistan, east to northeast and northwest, and China, Nepal, Bhutan is into north. Myanmar, Bangladesh is into east, and Sri Lanka and Maldives are in south side. These are the neighboring countries of India. Now we are going to that physical divisions of India. What are the physical divisions of India? There are the physical divisions of India according to climate. According to climate, there are 5 divisions. Physical divisions are what are the 5 divisions? What are the 5 divisions? Northern plains, northern mountains, and the coastal plains, and the islands, western deserts, southern plateaus. Once again listen that physical divisions of India according to their climate, weather. So what are the 5 different are? First one is northern plains. What is that? Northern plains. And the second one is northern mountains. Third one is western desert. And the fourth one is southern plateaus. And the fifth one is the coastal plains and islands. You know islands covered with only snow. So these are the 5 divisions of India. Himalayas are very hot. We are in the southern part. So our climate is changing. Summer is in very hot and winter is very cold. Now we are going to the political divisions of India. Political divisions. Our India is dividing 29 states. 29 states and 7 union territories. Union territories including that Indian national capital of Delhi. So what are the 29 states? Now I am saying that one, explain. So here Rajasthan, you know the Rajasthan also one of the state. Rajasthan is the largest state. Rajasthan is the largest state in our country. And Goa is the smallest state in our country. Rajasthan is the largest state in our country and Goa is the smallest state in our country. You know, India is the 7th largest country in our India. Now, once observe this textbook. So, what are the states? How many states in our country? 29 states. These are the 29 states. From your textbook page number 10, there are the 29 states and 7 union territories of their capitals. There are the Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Chandigarh, Daman and Nagar Haveli, Daman Diu, Lakshadweep, National Capital Territory of Delhi, Pondicherry. These are the 7 union territories. Thank you children. Tomorrow we are discussing about that another